divide 35 by 2. So here we divide 35 by 2 in a long division method. So 2 times 1 means 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2. So we put down the number 5. So it is 2 times 7 means 14. So on subtracting we get 1. So again this 1 is less than 2 and there is also no number beside. So we put here decimal so that we keep here 0. So 2 times 5 means 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 35 divided by 2 we get 17 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.